This session is in continuity to our previous discussions on chart layout options in an Excel chart. And from this session onwards, we are going to move forward on to the labels menu over here and explore different elements that it lets you format at different levels of a chart. Now we already know what a chart title is, what an axis title is, and what a legend, a data labels, and data table means in context of an Excel chart. So what this menu lets you do is it lets you modify each and every property of these entities in an Excel chart one by one. And beginning with, we're going to focus upon the chart titles itself, and let's see what does it hold for us. Now, clicking on the start menu over here, I'm presented with three different options, and it tells me that the default option which has been selected is the none option, and it indicates that right now my chart does not hold any chart title itself, which is in fact true. My chart does not have any chart title right now. The second option which it gives me is that I can skip on to that none chart title thing and go on to uh, form of a chart title which will have a centered overlaid in nature. And to understand what does it mean is this is the way a centered overlay title appears in an Excel chart. This title, this you can see this chart title menu over here completely eclipses the chart area behind it, and but it makes a very efficient use of all the space available for it. And like always, I can go ahead with the chart title and modify it. Say I write indie test to my chart title over here, and but you can see the indie test again. The alphabets of indie test are completely coming in front of the chart area itself. The lines and the whole of the chart itself may actually come behind these alphabets, which is not always the desirable case. To remedy this kind of a situation, Excel provides us with an alternative called above chart option over here, and it tells me that now my chart title would be displaced to the above of the chart, and it would not in any case say eclipse or hide any information on the chart area itself, and it will be placed completely outrightly above it. So this is the power of having a chart title at the top of the chart itself. It does not obfuscates or eclipses any of other useful information data which you want to maybe presentable to somebody. But what it does not do is it does not make efficient use of space utilization. The concept of charts is that you should be able to give as much information as possible given the space constraints on the chart area. But this concept of a chart title completely wastes this much amount of space, and obviously you can see the chart has shrinked in its size also. And it is always advisable that whenever you want to create a critical charts which have a whole lot of different entities to be presented in them, it is wiser to go for the centered overlay title instead of the above chart title in this. So this is all about the chart title options of their placing in an Excel chart. Thank you for watching.